In SolidCAM 2020, there are several enhancements and additions to the SolidCAM simulator. First, we'll take a look at the dynamic tooltips that are now displayed for nearly all the SolidCAM simulator options and controls. With my example part opened, I'll go to the SolidCAM Manager, right-click Operations, and select SolidCAM Simulator. When the SolidCAM Simulator window appears, I'll go to the menu where you'll see Show Dynamic Info Tooltips is enabled by default. You can, of course, simply uncheck this option in instances where you'd prefer not to display tooltips. With this new option enabled, let's start by looking at some of the dynamic tooltips displayed for the interface features. As I hover my mouse pointer over SolidCAM Simulator options and controls, you will see the appearing tooltips. Here we have our playback controls such as play in reverse, step and skip controls, as well as the record feature. As you can see, each tooltip provides us with helpful descriptions. Tooltips are also displayed for our available playback options and the operation bar options. Furthermore, the operations bar displays details such as operation types, toolpath steps, and corresponding machining times. The operations bar slider and thumb shows valuable information on the different ways to advance through the simulation and for resetting the current session. If you're curious about the compare, target, and machine stock controls, there are dynamic tooltips for these features as well. Per the displayed tooltips, we are informed that we can reposition the control window, we can toggle on or off the target and machine stock comparison, we can use automatic tolerances whose values we could see here are generated according to the tool facet tolerance, or we can use manual tolerances whose values can be entered manually in the edit boxes. We can also modify range and color indication of tolerances by using the tolerance range selector. Last but not least, when hovering the mouse pointer over the simulated toolpath in the graphics area, detailed information about the toolpath and its corresponding operation are displayed.